For over 30 years, ASTEC Re-Ply has been solving the unique challenges of single-ply or rubber roofs faced by building owners and facility managers, all while saving them significantly on their roofing budget. Exposure to the sun's damaging ultraviolet rays can cause seams to separate. Over time, membranes lose their waterproofing properties and pull away from parapets and penetrations. When leaks arise, the usual first step is a patch, which does not address the cause of the leaks and is not a long-term solution. ASTEC Re-Ply fluid-applied roofing systems is designed to address each of these problems. First, the surface is prepared with special cleaners designed for single-ply roofs. Every seam, penetration, and area prone to leaks are reinforced. ASTEC's multi-layer system is then installed, building a seamless fluid-applied membrane over the existing roof. ASTEC's highly reflective finish products dramatically reduce roof surface temperatures and protect the roof from UV damage. Installed only by ASTEC authorized contractors, the end result is a seamless, time-proven, cool roof system that is warranted for material and labor for a full 10 or 15 years. And ASTEC warranties are renewable at the end of the warranty term to sustain your single-ply roof indefinitely. With hundreds of millions of square feet applied on single-ply, metal, and asphalt roofs, ASTEC Re-Ply is the fluid-applied roof expert. Call us today to schedule a no-cost, no-obligation roof survey and find out how ASTEC can resolve your single-ply roof problems long-term and for much less than conventional replacement.